When DC Cares first began in 2018, it started with a simple raffle for a DC trailer to help a team member in need. From there, it quickly evolved into the many events we now host throughout the year, along with weekly donations given by our team members. Over the years, we've played dodgeball, basketball, volleyball, kickball, soccer, and even hosted a fishing tournament. We've also held non-sports events like DC's Got Talent and mini photo shoots that people can take with their families. It's incredible to see the camaraderie and healthy competition that comes from these events, all while knowing that every dollar raised goes directly back to supporting a team member in need. The donations, the events, and the team members who participate are what keeps DC Cares going. One of our fundamentals is to serve and respect one another, and there's no better way to live that out than by having a resource like DC Cares, something our team members can rely on during times of unexpected financial hardships.